Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a video that you guys love. I swear to God, in every video I look like I'm naked. I'm like, come on, just, no, my top's here. My top's here, guys. But I have a unboxing video for you guys today. It's actually already unboxed, the stuff that I have here. It's from a brand called Mekka. So if you guys haven't heard of this brand, it is a vegan and cruelty-free brand. So that's super exciting. But I have a few items from them today, and they sent me some stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to send me stuff, even if you know, just a letter or something like that, or a picture, then just DM me on Instagram at Cerise1307, or just comment down below. But anyway, they sent me a cute little card here, and it says, "Hi hun, have fun playing with these goodies and thanks for sharing your social looks with Mekkies. Hashtag trading Mekka." So I thought I would have a look at some of their stuff today. So we'll start with the first one. So you can pre-order this for $22. This video is not sponsored or anything. They haven't told me to say all this stuff. They just basically sent the stuff to me. The emails are actually a bit fake. They're not paying me or anything. They just send me the free stuff, which I'm stoked. Free makeup. Who cares? I'm like, yes. So I thought I would review it anyway, or at least do a unboxing so you can kind of see. So this is called the Insomniac palette, and this retails for $22. So to me it does look very small. On camera it looks huge, but it's actually a very small little pan sizes, but a really oh god, put my hand through it. A very compact little palette. Like, I do like the brand logo. I think the logo is very cute. I haven't actually tried the shadows yet. They are vegan and cruelty free, as I said before. There's kind of like a smell of almost like pepper to them, but not pepper. I don't know. It's a really weird smell. It's definitely not a bad smell. It's not pepper, but it's like kind of like a spice, but not like a bad kind of spice. I don't know. But this purple color is speaking to me. This like glittery color. So let's give her a wee swatch. Now it does look hella pigmented. It doesn't smell when it's on your finger, so that's good. And I'll just swatch that. Excuse me? Look at that. That is insane. Oh my god. See, I was looking at this and I was like, oh yeah, it's little. It looks real, like, kind of flimsy. Like, it won't pack a punch, but that. Alright, I need to do one of these matte shades. This looks like a real pretty terracotta shade. Not bad, not bad, not swatching that. Okay, let's try the white. Whites are a hard one to do. So let's see. See, the white's not that great, but white shades are very hard to come by. So I ain't mad at that. Let's go for another wee shimmery. Let's go for this kind of grey shimmer and see what that's like. Damn! Alright, so that is some of the, yeah, that's some of the colours of the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. Yeah, so you can pre-order that for $22. If you guys want me to do a full review on this and you know, put it on my eyes and stuff, then let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, oh, I'm actually impressed with that, so that's really exciting. And then we have the next palette that they sent me, so let's just find this on my phone. DUI Pro Cream Concealer and Contour. Is that meant to be DIY? I don't know. That's the DIY Pro Cream Concealer and Contour palette. So that is the palette there. So concealer and contour. It does come with a mirror, and you can pre-order this. No, it is limited edition, and it's $29 US that you can purchase this for. It's got all the ingredients on the back, and again, I'm loving this logo, how it's like a pretty fan brush. I think that's so cute. So there's some color correctors, some concealers, and some contoury shades there. So they do look quite nice. Let's see how like creamy they are. Oh, it's actually like, I thought I'd have to like come in with that. So it's kind of, does feel like a thicker kind of concealer, but it would be really good for like, you know, if you wanted that full thick coverage kind of look, and especially for like stage paint as well, or if you're doing anything like that, it would be a really good palette, especially on the go. Like, this is like a little one you could kind of fit in your handbag, so I really do kind of like this too. And I love how it's got a mirror. It's a really, like, even if you didn't like that, it's a good mirror. It's like a real nice mirror, and it's just like a little cardboard component there. So actually I want to swatch another one of like I want to swatch the orange because I'm just like, it's so cute. So that is the color corrected there. Like, I feel like that would be too thick for me to use in like an everyday life setting, but yeah, I'm just not into the cream kind of contours, but I still, you know, it's still nice. I don't have any cream contours, so I'm quite happy with that. And then we have two liquid lipsticks here. So they're two matte liquid lipsticks. I'm loving the orange packaging. I'm a sucker for orange. I mean, as you guys seen there, colors I seem to swatch have been of an orange descent. So I'll just see how much these are. I'm so good at doing research, guys. So good. I'm just like, I'll just do it on camera. So these retail for $18, these lipsticks, and it's got all of the ingredients on the sides there. And it comes with 8 ml. So if you guys want to see, you know, reviews on these, then let me know in the comments down below as well on any of the things. So this is the color Windy. I actually really like that color, and that's the packaging there. I do want to swatch this though. Oh! Okay. Alright then. Kinda want to put that on, but kind of afraid. That is a really, really bright color. Oh my goodness. I actually really, really like that. Okay, and then we have shade Leaf. This is up my alley. This is a color for me. Look how pretty that is. Oh, wow. Like, I would just... Ooh! I feel like I need to try that one on now. Like, I need to. I need to wipe my lipstick off. I need to. It is going on. Okay, so I'm going to be putting on shade Leaf. So yeah, again, these retail for $18, and I need to put this on my mouth because it's such a pretty color. Oh my god, yes. When you're too excited and overdraw your lip. And these are so soft, oh my goodness. And that's it on there. It's actually like dried already. That is, and it's got like a nice kind of creamsicle smell to it. Oh, I really like that. I really like that. And how it's got the frosted glass. This is my new obsession. I feel like I need to do a review on these because these are beautiful. Look at that color though. I love it. I'm obsessed. I love it. I love it. Yes. Alrighty, so that was the lipsticks and the two palettes that they sent there. I actually really want to do a review on these. What do you guys think? Because I'm actually really blown away. Maybe not by the like cream contour kit because they scare me because I'm not talented enough to use one of those, but like the eyeshadows and this lipstick is my new favorite. This is like, look how perfect it goes with my hair and my makeup. It's so pretty. Anyway, thank you Trading Mekka for sending me these things. If you guys want to send me any more, then you know where to send it. But yeah, I'm really, really impressed by these guys. This is I really, really like these products, and I honestly didn't know what to expect by, you know, judging, you know, I judged the book by its cover, by the packaging, because the packaging's not super, super high end or anything, so I was like, okay, but yeah, the pigments pay off, and they're so compact and lightweight. Now I'm just like, oh my god, and I just, the logo is just so cute. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe with the subscribe boxes, and until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!